In a world full of noise, hurry, and distractions, silence has become a rare treasure. But silence isn't empty, it's sacred. It's in the stillness where some of the deepest prayers are spoken, and the clearest answers are heard. Prayer in silence isn't about how many words you can say. It's not about crafting perfect sentences or sounding spiritual. It's about bringing your heart fully before God, raw, honest, and quiet. Sometimes the most powerful prayers are whispered. Other times they're wordless cries of the soul lifted in stillness where only God can hear. Jesus often withdrew from the crowds, the busyness, even his closest disciples, to be alone with the Father. Luke chapter 5 verse 16 says, "But Jesus often withdrew to lonely places and prayed." If the Son of God needed silence to connect with the Father, how much more do we? In silence, we lay aside our agendas and create space for God's presence. We stop speaking at Him and begin to listen to Him. We trade anxiety for peace, restlessness for stillness. Psalm 46 verse 10 says, "Be still and know that I am God." That knowing doesn't come through noise, it comes through quiet trust. Sometimes, we come to God thinking we need answers. But in silent prayer we find something greater. God Himself. His nearness becomes our answer. His presence becomes our peace. When we quiet our hearts, we tune into His whisper. He speaks not always through thunder, but often in a still, small voice. Elijah didn't hear God in the earthquake or fire, but in the gentle whisper, just like it says in 1 Kings, chapter 19, verse 12. That same whisper still speaks today, to those willing to pause and listen. So, find time to withdraw. Step away from the noise, turn off the distractions, sit in the quiet. You don't have to say much, just be there. Present, open, listening. In that silence, you'll discover strength. In that stillness, you'll discover direction. And in the quiet of prayer, you'll rediscover the one who never stops loving, leading, and listening. Silence is not the absence of prayer. It is often where prayer becomes most powerful. Enter the silence. God is waiting there. If this message touched you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content.